Hey there, I wanted to give you a tour. You've signed up for Springboard. It's a brand new tool for marketers for multi-channel campaign mapping, and I wanted to show you around. So go ahead and log in. And this is your dashboard. I wanted to show you a couple of the useful things that we built in here so that you know exactly how to use it. So this is your main palette where you're going to be able to see all of the different maps that you've created. I have several that are done here, and each one should have a name. If your map does not have a name, I'd highly recommend going back and giving it one just so that each one is identifiable to your campaign or to your segment. With each of these tiles, you can go up here in the upper right hand corner, you'll see an ellipsis where you can either duplicate the whole map or you can delete a whole map. And if you scroll down here, we've got the last tile is always frequently asked questions. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to a new web page, and you can see a bunch of questions that have come up since we've launched the tool that we want to give you some easy answers on. And you can also see our blog if you want to click over here. So going back to the dashboard, we also have in the bottom right hand corner these tips that rotate, and they actually deliver tips based on what you're doing in your mapping process. So whatever channel you're using, whatever function you're using, these they're smart tips, and they will give you information that will help you use Springboard in the best way possible. If you don't want the tips anymore, you can just click on the light bulb, turn them off, turn them back on. That is the way that one works. So over here on the left, we mentioned Keystone, which is our CRM software platform. And if you're interested in making your campaigns live, just click on Let's Talk, and you can schedule an appointment with myself or someone from my team. Just pick a day and time, and we'll be happy to talk to you about how to configure and deploy your multi-channel marketing campaigns. So going into the map canvas itself, this is just a basic blank canvas, and look out for another tutorial that I'm doing on how to actually create strategic maps. Just want to show you around a little bit here. If you click on the yellow button, it's going to pull up a worksheet called Strategic Considerations for you. And we've put in questions and prompts for different elements in the strategy, such as objective, duration, segmentation. These are all the aspects that you might want to think about as you're planning and visualizing your campaigns. This is not mandatory. This is just for you to document the why behind your maps. And each map has a worksheet like this attached to it. So it's kind of nice if you're going to be sharing with your team so that everybody is really informed about what the thinking is and was in creating these maps. You can also add your own new strategic consideration tile here, and you can go for it like that. So getting back to the map itself, once you create your map, and again, look out for the other tutorial on how to create maps, you would be able to click on share, and you can share via email address either the map, the strategic considerations, or both. And it'll be sent via PDF to your colleagues. This downward facing arrow, you can download the map, and this little hat here, if you click on it, it'll take you to the same web page with our FAQ. So I think that about does it, and I hope you create some awesome maps. Let us know if you have any questions, and happy mapping.